From a young age, many women are shaped by the constant attention they receive. Compliments, admirers orbiting around them, eyes following them everywhere. All of this becomes the foundation of how they see themselves. Their value, beauty, and confidence are often measured by how much interest men show. This creates a belief. Men are supposed to chase, to prove their interest, to compete. But what happens when a man breaks that expectation? When he doesn't pursue, when he doesn't bend over backward to impress, when he doesn't shower her with validation? That's when things get interesting, because the script she's always known suddenly collapses, and it leaves her confused. Being chased gives her comfort, a sense of security. But without it, the power she's used to feeding on feels cut off. This creates a void in her ego. She doesn't know whether to feel offended, intrigued, or threatened. But one thing is almost always true. She can't ignore the man who doesn't chase. Not chasing communicates strength. It shows that his life is already full, that he doesn't need her validation to feel complete. This flips the script. Most men rush to respond, flatter, or compete. But the man who stays calm sparks curiosity. Why isn't he after me? What's different about him? That curiosity creates tension, and tension fuels attraction. This dynamic can frustrate her, but it also draws her in. Chasing men provide comfort, but rarely excitement. The man who doesn't chase, however, stands out. He may frustrate her, but he earns her respect. And respect is the foundation of real attraction. When a man doesn't chase, women often test him by acting distant, by provoking jealousy, or by creating artificial scarcity. These are attempts to regain control. But when he stays steady, doesn't react, and remains grounded, those tactics lose their power. Instead of questioning him, she starts questioning herself. Sometimes she might flip the script with sudden warmth, being extra kind or reaching out more. But this isn't always genuine. Often it's just an attempt to rebalance power. That's why consistency over time matters more than temporary sweetness. The key truth is this: not chasing doesn't mean being cold. It means setting boundaries. It means valuing your peace, your goals, and your purpose above begging for validation. It shows strength, the kind of strength that doesn't fear loss. And here's the result. One of two things will happen. Either she adapts, respects your strength, and invests in you, or she leaves, running back to men who will chase and validate her. If she leaves, it's not a loss. It's a filter, because the woman who only wanted control was never going to bring partnership or respect. Remember, real strength isn't in chasing someone. It's in walking firmly on your own path. When you don't chase, she either comes with real value or she doesn't come at all. Either way, you win.